Mahacrime OS AI latest news. Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella announced a statewide rollout of Mahacrime OS AI, an advanced AI-driven investigation platform for the Maharashtra Police, developed in partnership with the Maharashtra government and its AI policing initiative, Marvel. The platform will equip all 1100 police stations with next-generation cybercrime tools. The initiative marks a shift beyond traditional policing, reflecting how law enforcement and judiciary are embracing AI as a transformative force to enhance investigation, vigilance, and justice delivery. Mahacrime OS AI transforming crime investigation in Maharashtra. Mahacrime OS AI is an AI-powered crime investigation platform developed using Microsoft Foundry, first deployed in Nagpur rural in April 2025. It helps police processes complaints faster, analyze complex data, and streamline investigate procedures, especially in cybercrime cases. Recognizing the effectiveness, the Maharashtra government and Microsoft announced recently that the platform will be rolled out across all 1100 police stations in the state. Marvel Maharashtra AI vision for policing. Marvel Maharashtra Research and Vigilance for Enhanced Law Enforcement is a government-owned AI initiative created to integrate advanced technology into policing. Established in 2024 as a special-purpose vehicle, Marvel aims to modernize investigation, strengthen police intelligence, and improve crime prediction. Maharashtra is the first Indian state to set up an independent AI body dedicated to law enforcement. From Crime OS to Mahacrime OS AI. Working with Microsoft, Marvel adopted Crime OS AI developed by CyberEye, Microsoft AI partner into Mahacrime OS AI, fine-tuned to comply with Maharashtra investigation protocols. The system was also configured in Marathi to ensure easy adoption across the police force. An MOU between the Maharashtra government and Microsoft include setting up 3 AI centers of excellence. Advanced capabilities of Mahacrime's AI. Mahacrime's OS AI can ingest complaints in multiple formats, including PDFs, audio files, handwritten notes, and images. Using multimodal intelligence, it extracts key information in any language, automates analysis, adapts investigation pathway, and rapidly profiles persons of interest, significantly enhancing investigate efficiency. Transforming governance through AI. Marvel's goal is to collaborate with global technology leaders to build AI co-pilots that fundamentally transform governance. The initiative positions Maharashtra as a national leader in AI-driven future-ready policing. Benefits of Mahacrime's OS AI. Mahacrime's OS AI automates routine administrative tasks, allowing investigating officers to focus more on solving crimes and assisting victims. Officers access a dashboard showing active cases, updates, and pending actions, improving case management and efficiency. In one case involving a 38 lakh bank fraud, the system helped analyze telecom data and open source intelligence to trace and arrest accused across multiple states. AI-generated investigation plans. Key feature of Mahacrime OS AI is its ability to read FIRs in Marathi and automatically generate detailed investigation plans. These are based on Maharashtra police protocols and guidelines issued by the High Court and Supreme Court for different crime categories. Investigation co-pilot for faster decision making. Developed with CyberEye and Microsoft, the AI-powered investigation co-pilot analyzes case details, creates automated workflows, and suggests investigation pathways. This reduces delays that earlier arose when officers waited for senior approvals in complex cases. Advanced data analytics and code readiness. The platform analyzes telecom data to identify interlinkage, gathers open source intelligence by tracing phone numbers across digital platforms, and prepares time-stamped date-wise case diaries for court submission, embedding judicial best practices into investigations. Improved experience by complainants. By speeding up investigation and reducing bottlenecks, Mahacrime's OS AI delivers quicker, more consistent outcomes for complainants, faster response times, and smoother case handling, enhance public trust and improve overall access to justice. Key features of Mahacrime OS AI. Mahacrime OS AI has been designed primarily in Marathi, ensuring that even constable can use it with ease. Tasks such as drafting letters to bank and telecom companies, which earlier took 30-45 minutes, are now completed in seconds. The system can also directly email these documents, significantly cutting investigation time and administrative delays. The platform democratized advanced investigative capabilities previously limited to specialized cybercrime officers. Open source intelligence and data analysis can now be performed by all 3,000 officers in Nagpur rural, eliminating dependence on a small expert pool handling complex crime categories. The system currently supports investigation in 4 complex crime areas: narcotics, cybercrime, crime against women, and financial fraud. Additional AI models are being developed to extend its application to other types of crimes. Tailored protocol-based investigation. A key strength of Mahacrime OS AI is its ability to incorporate best practices protocols, apply crime-specific knowledge, and generate customized investigation plans, enabling more precise and efficient law enforcement outcomes, supporting faster investigation under new criminal laws. With the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita mandating charge sheets within 60 to 90 days, police officers handling multiple cases face tight deadlines. Mahacrime OS AI enables faster, structured investigation, helping officers meet legal timelines and adapt effectively to the new criminal law framework.